What if I told you there was a way to do personalized keyword research? So find the most profitable keywords, not just for the market, not just for a website, but for your specific website, so you could rank higher in search engines and get more organic traffic. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. That's what we will cover in this video. Hey everyone, my name is Poulomi and I help you develop SEO-friendly websites that tell your brand stories and get you more organic visibility. Now, we know that keyword research is a very important part of SEO, right? What does it mean exactly? It means finding the words or phrases that your audience is typing in search engines to find the information that they need, to find answers, to find products, to find reviews, and even to make purchases. However, simple keyword research, like we were doing before, is not enough anymore. If you've been following the recent changes in Google, you know it indicates that you need to build topical authority. So your website needs to be relevant for your specific brand and your expertise. But there is a lot of competition in your niche, right? In most niches. So what do you have to do then? You have to find the keywords that are relevant and easy for your website to rank for so you can get more traffic. You can rank higher and get that traffic. That is where the new research tool of Semrush comes in. Well, it is the old keyword research tool, but it has a new component, which is an AI tool and an AI component that helps you find the keywords that are easy for your website to rank for. So all you have to do is enter your keyword and enter your domain, and it will tell you how difficult or easy it is for you to build authority and get high ranks for that specific keyword. And it's not just that, you can do so much more with it. This is what you can get with this tool. Firstly, you know your potential to rank for specific keywords. Secondly, you find the low-hanging fruit, the keywords you're already ranking for, but maybe not in the first positions, maybe on the second page. And so you can get ideas on how to get them to the first page, probably by optimizing content, backlinks, etc. The third is you can find new keyword opportunities for your website. So keywords you're ranking for, but way down the positions, maybe after 30 or 50. And you can find that you already rank for them, even if you're not targeting them, and you can optimize them to get them much higher up. You can develop your content strategy and even your website architecture. You can get content clusters, you can get pillar pages and sub pages, all by just typing in a seed keyword. And of course, you can develop a detailed keyword strategy on how to optimize and target certain keywords for certain pages. That is a lot of stuff that you can do with this tool. It is my absolute favorite right now. I'm having so much fun with it. If you want to try it out, there's a link in the description. If you're not using Semrush, then hit that button, get a 14-day trial, and yeah, let's get started. Now we're just going to dive in and see how this tool works. So the first section that we will look at is how to understand the potential for a domain or website to rank for a specific topic. Keywords as well, but first a topic. So I have just opened Semrush over here and I have gone to the Keyword Overview tool. If you don't have access to Semrush right now, then you can get a 14-day free trial by signing up with the link. It's in the description. Just click on it. You will end up on this page. It's a 14-day pro trial. Get it for free. Enter your credit card details, because if you don't enter your credit card details, you just get limited features, but you don't get the full access. So enter the details, and then if you don't want, you can always cancel after 14 days or by 14 days. So yeah, that's how you get started with Semrush. And now we come back to the keyword overview. So I have just taken this topic of a robot vacuum cleaner. And here you see it says that the volume is 22,000, and global volume is 134,000, and keyword difficulty is 78%. Now, this is the keyword difficulty average, like it is for any website that wants to rank for it. But it is not the same for every website, right? So if a domain is already ranking for this topic, then it does not need to be that, it doesn't have to be that difficult to rank for this. So now I'm going to enter a website which already has a little bit of an authority on this topic, and we will see how we can improve it and optimize it further. So I've just taken Dyson. You probably know the brand. It has topical authority on this topic. So that's why you see the personal keyword difficulty is 46%. It's 32% less than the average, which is 78, because it already ranks a bit for it. And that's why here it also says topical authority is relevant. I will come back to this later, but then I go down here and you see even in this section, it says robot vacuum cleaner, which is 22,000. The personal keyword difficulty is 46%. However, this keyword vacuum cleaner robot, it has 1.9K, so 2,000 traffic. So it's 0, which means it's easy because less people are searching for it. But this is a bigger, broader category. So it's a little bit harder for it to rank, but not as hard, again, as a new or unrelated website. Now we go down further and you can check the SERP analysis by domain or by URL. These are the top ranking pages. So if you see the URL, then you will just see all the pages that are ranking for it, but you don't see the personal keyword difficulty metric here. If you go on domain, however, because it's analyzing by topic, it also says that your potential is here. So if I scroll down here, there is no Dyson over here. But if I go to 11 to 20, then you have Dyson here. So this is their robotic vacuum cleaner. It's a product page. So here it says your potential to rank is here. But ideally, the goal is to get keywords on the first page from 1 to 10. So what we have seen in this section is what is the potential for a domain to rank for a specific topic? How difficult is it to build authority for a topic for a domain that's already ranking for it? Now we're going to see how we can take a few low-hanging fruit, so a few keywords that you already rank for in, say, 11 to 20, and what are the possibilities of bringing a few of them to 1 to 10. That's what we're going to find in the next section. The next section that we will look at is to find low-hanging fruit. So keywords that are very easy for this particular domain to rank for the topic of robot vacuum cleaner. What are the subtopics and keywords that this domain can target to build more topical authority for this specific topic? So we will look at a low personal keyword difficulty score. So here we will put the topic again, the website, and here we go for 30. We are looking for two things. One is low personal keyword difficulty score, and also keywords and subtopics that this website is ranking for within the position of, say, 20, so relatively high, and see how we can optimize them further. So if I put 0 to 30 over here, I see that these topics and keywords are all within like 10, position 10, because I have selected this here, show ranking keywords. And the personal difficulty is quite low. So we can actually take it up to 50. And now we have 39 keywords that we have relatively moderate personal keyword difficulty. And these keywords are all within position 20. So you can optimize them with content, with backlinks, with internal linking, and maybe get their positions up higher so that overall the authority on this topic is higher, right? So you can just select all of the keywords and then just add it to a keyword list. And then you can, of course, analyze them one by one and see which one is better for you to target. What else can you do with the AI tool, AI keyword research tool of Semrush? We can find new subtopics and keyword opportunities that the ranking is not very high for right now. Either the domain does not rank or it's ranks but not so high, so let's say above 20, so we can optimize them more. So there are two aspects that we can look at. Broad match, these will give you keywords which are more related to your original search, so robot vacuum cleaner, and related, which are similar to your initial topic, so semantic keywords or subtopics. But since we want to find new keyword opportunities, not to optimize existing ones, I'm going to make the keyword difficulty here 50. Well, starting 50. All right. So now we are in broad match and we see there are all these keywords, which you see the position is like 67 with mop. That sounds interesting. 69 for pet hair. Also interesting. 49. Pool robot vacuum cleaner. So these are all subtopics that you could also target, which you're ranking for a little bit right now, but it can target more, optimize more, and write more content, create more clusters, and write more blog posts to optimize it further for this topical authority. When we look at related, we will now find not just vacuum cleaner, but other words. For example, I think I saw sweeper. So you have robot sweepers, position is like 68 right now. And this you see is relatively hard for this domain to rank for. It's actually, surprisingly, it's even harder than the original keyword difficulty. Autonomous vacuum, it ranks 33 for it, but apparently it's quite hard for it to rank for this subtopic. So you got to select what is relevant for you here, and then you can select them all and then add them to the same keyword list, just for you to have an idea of what to work on for the next steps. Now, so far, we saw how to select topics and keywords one by one with different filters and different settings, and then get a big keyword list for subtopics. But what if you didn't want to do all of that work? What if you wanted to make it super easy and simple to develop a content and keyword strategy to build authority on one specific topic? The topic here, in this case, being robot vacuum cleaner. And now I want to know what are all the subtopics that I could target and what are the keywords I could use to get more authority on this topic. So I'm just going to put that in Keyword Strategy Builder. And it says you can drive more traffic with a ready-made keyword strategy with pillar pages and sub pages. So I'm just going to put that in here and click on Create List. Now I've already done that, so I'm just going to open that up. And here you see it has found 3 topics. It says 3 topics, 410 pages. So here it says best vacuum, aspiradora robot, so it's finding something in Spanish, and Roomba replacement. It has found these 3 as potential subtopics, and that again, it's just because I gave in a very simple overall global topic. You can add in more keywords here to get more recommendations here as well. So how it plots is it gives you a topical overview with the pillar page and the subtopics, and then you scroll down and you have the pillar page here as well, and all the sub pages that you need to create to link to this pillar page. Similarly here, if I go at Roomba replacement, it's like you have all of these flow cleaners, best robot vacuum for pet hair, best vacuum for pet hair, Roomba watch, dog vacuum, hardwood floor vacuums. All of these are subtopics that relate to this pillar page of Roomba replacement. So this is just a suggestion of a few subtopics and clusters you could create to build more authority on this global topic for your specific website and specific brand. So that's how you use the AI keyword research tools of Semrush to get your potential, know your potential to rank for specific topics, find low-hanging fruit, find new keyword opportunities, create an SEO strategy, and actually this also helps you build your website structure and a keyword strategy. And there you go. That's how you do keyword research in the new age with personalized AI-driven insights to improve your website and your brand or your topic. One thing to conclude though, it is a very good tool. It is an AI tool. It is a powerful tool, but the Semrush Keyword Research tool is still just a tool. It can give you insights and it can give you data, but you are the one in control. You have to decide what's relevant for your business and your brand. You have to prioritize your SEO strategies, your tactics, your next steps. The only thing I would advise you is to go for the low-hanging fruit first, so you can quickly optimize your rankings for certain keywords and can get to the top. And then once they are getting more traffic, you can also build links from them to your lower ranking pages or to your newer content. But again, it all depends on what is relevant for you at this particular time. Play around the tools, with the tool till you get exactly what you need. Try different options. And yeah, let me know how it goes. If you like this video, then subscribe for more tips. Hit the like button, and yeah, if you like it, share it with others as well. Thank you. Bye.